The meaning of the boat parade for Newport Beach is community.
Newport Beach has got a population of about 80,000 residents, and over the next 5 nights you're going to see over 1 million people coming to our town to enjoy this magical boat parade.
We have a lot of involvement by a lot of different people, and there's a great deal of pride in this parade.
There's still a magic about it when you go and see it. It's just a fantasy land of lights and Christmas, and it's great.
Santa loves the Newport Beach
Boat Parade!
This event has received worldwide acclaim and a lot of national attention. We've received the top 10 list of holiday decorations from the New York Times.
We were just ranked #2 in the country for holiday lights by Yahoo Travel.
It's a spectacular event that is unequaled anywhere else in the world.
Newport Beach Boat Parade!